Bumili nga pala ako ng unan sa halagang 150 plus pesos lang. Ito po yung hitsura niya. Malambot siya kapag pinipisil mo.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you
Tapos pag nilulukot siya, bumabalik siya sa dati.
in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could.
Sulit siya, komportable siyang gamitin. Sa may balak bumili, nasa description yung product link. Kung gusto nyo po ng mga video katulad nito, huwag nyo po sanang kalimutang mag-video sa like at mag-channel to my subscribe. Bye-bye!
Like a Hellcat.